Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos, leave a comment and a thumbs up. Today we are going to be doing some awesome jalapeno poppers with the new Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first thing you're going to need is obviously some jalapenos. I got 6 jalapenos here. This is going to make 12 poppers. Obviously you can do as many as you want, but all you're going to want to do is just take one of these jalapenos here and go ahead and get a sharp knife and cut right down the middle. So now you got 2 pieces. Next, you're going to want to grab a spoon. Go ahead and take out the insides of the jalapeno just like that. Here's one that still has other stuff in it, the innards, and like that. So get them all done like that. I'm going to go ahead and chop these up and get them all prepared for the next step. Alright, next step, after we got all these things peeled out, all of them are deveined and seedless, I'm going to use some Philadelphia cream cheese. Use whatever you want. I'm just using also that same spoon that we had before. And what we're going to do with the cream cheese now, with the cream cheese, I did some poppers before, so I only got half. This is an 8-ounce bar, so I got about 4 ounces left. That's usually enough to do about 12 of these poppers. So just grab a little spoon, go ahead and get a little bit of your cream cheese in there. Let's get one here, and go ahead and put that cream cheese in there just like that, and put it in just like that. Super easy. And you want to fill it just about, right to the top right there, just like that. So I'll do one more here for you. Go ahead and grab a little bit of cheese, put it in there, spread it out just like that. Super easy. Alright, so we got, I'm going to finish the rest of these and we'll take it to the next step. Alright, so we have all of the jalapenos filled with cream cheese. Next is you want to get some bacon. Now, I prefer just the natural cut bacon. You can use any kind of bacon, but the thicker cut bacon takes a little longer to cook. The natural cut is just crisps up a little easier. So you're not going to want to use quite a whole slice of regular bacon. So at the end here, take about, now you can, no problem, but I usually just take about, there we go, about 1 inch off of the end. And don't worry, I will definitely be using the end of this bacon in something. I'm gonna set that aside real quick. So next thing, go ahead and get a piece of bacon off, just like that. Grab your popper that's already stuffed, and go ahead and start right here just like that, and just go ahead and roll it around the whole thing until it's covered just like that. Alright, I'm going to do one more for you real quick, but these are super simple to prepare, super easy to cook, and everybody loves a good jalapeno popper. So once again, go ahead and get it there like that, and then just wrap the bacon. Super easy. Alright, so we got those 2 wrapped. Super simple. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these and we'll take it to the next step. Okay, so we got them all wrapped up. Next thing, go ahead and set them on your air fryer rack or racks, depending on how many you're doing. Oops, and go ahead and get them all on there. Alright, we got all 12 on one rack. We'll meet you at the air fryer. Alright, so we're at the air fryer. Super simple. We got our poppers here. We're going on the middle rack. Close that door up. Turn it on. We're going up to 400 degrees. Alright, we're going to get this thing, down here to 8 minutes. Hit start, and we will see you in 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. As you can see, it says off and it's beeping. So what we got so far after 8 minutes, and they're just starting to get cooking. You can see that right here. But anyway, what we're gonna do now is go ahead and give it a 180-degree rotation. All right, so I give it a 180-degree rotation. Put it back on the middle rack. Yeah, these are fine. Go ahead and get them in there. We're gonna turn this thing on. We're gonna go back up to 400. We are gonna go back down to 8 minutes. All right, we'll see you in 8 minutes. We should be good to go. Okay, so it's been another 8 minutes. As you can see, it says off. And actually what I did is I added 1 minute to it. So I looked in and seen at 8 minutes they were done, but I like my bacon almost black crispy. But yeah, so I added 1 minute. So this is a total of actually 9 minutes on the second one there. But let's take a look, and these things are looking phenomenal. Yes. All right, we're gonna take them to the cutting board and let's see what we got. All right, so here's what we ended up with. I've already eaten a few, but look at that. The cream cheese, the bacon, cooked absolutely perfect. Yeah, look at that. Awesome. All right, cool. Let's bring you up top for a taste testing in a minute. All right, we are finished with the cook. And I know I gave you a shot, but let me get you a closer shot. Let's take a look. I mean, these things are cooked absolutely perfect and amazing. And so good. All right, so that's how you do jalapeno poppers in the Power Air Fryer Pro 10. And when you get this in any air fryer, these are just super simple. You can even do them in the oven if you like, about 400 degrees. But it takes longer, and your house gets hot, and electricity and all that stuff. But anyway, these are super amazing and delicious. Everybody will absolutely love them. If you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment. With that being said, well, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of these for sure. And we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.